Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Final Cut Pro and Mac OS are compatible, and make sure you have free disk space. Once confirmed, organize your footage into named folders on a fast drive. You then open Final Cut Pro and select File New Project, because preset settings affect performance and export. Choose resolution and frame rate that match your main camera. Once set, create an event in a library, import the organized media, and tag clips for faster access during editing. You now build the timeline by dragging your main clip into the magnetic timeline to establish the primary storyline. Once done, layer connected clips and B-roll so edits stay flexible. Make sure to assign roles for dialogue, music, and effects, and apply keywords and color tags to group similar shots. This speeds selective trimming. You should set in and out points, use the blade and trim tools for pacing, and stabilize or retime any problematic footage before moving to refinement. You finish by smoothing audio levels, adding EQ and compression where needed, then apply color correction and any LUTs. Make sure to render segments for smooth playback. Once satisfied, export a high-quality master and a compressed web copy using appropriate codecs and presets, because final destinations differ. If performance problems arise, lagging, skipping, or failed exports, switch to a proxy workflow, consolidate your library to a single fast drive, and relink media. That one troubleshooting step resolves most workflow slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.